Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Gary Fix It. This is a 2006 Toyota Prius, and today we're going to put a hood deflector. Gary Fix It. This is a 2006 Toyota Prius, and today we're going to put a hood deflector just from our local Toyota dealership. And ladies and gentlemen, thanks for subscribing and supporting our channel for those that are subscribed. So let's get started, guys. All right, guys, so for starters, we want to go ahead and open the hood by locating the hood latch. So once your hood is open like this, just locate the hood arm, which is to the right side. So upon opening your guys' hood deflector packaging from the local Toyota dealership, you're gonna find another little bag that comes inside with the hardware. So we're going to have the things that you see in front of you in that little baggie. So it's a 6 of each, so 6 of the that it's adhesive as well, and something extra if you may or may not need it. So all right, guys, I'm gonna show you how this works. So here's the plastic bracket which goes underneath the plexiglass, okay, like this. So this should be, this right here, this oval shape should be outside, and this thing should be underneath the hood deflector, okay. It's adhesive as well, and something extra if you may or may not need it. So all right, guys, I'm gonna show you how this works. So here's the plastic bracket which goes underneath the plexiglass, okay, like this. So this should be, this right here, this oval shape should be outside, and this thing should be underneath the hood. This metal bracket to extend it underneath the hood, and then basically use a Phillips screw to adhere the metal bracket onto the plastic clip. So I'll show you in a second. All right, guys, so earlier I was showing you all the hardware which is required for this task on hand, and now I'm going to show you how to basically use it. So this is the hardware in use already. So you can see that the plastic bracket is underneath the hood deflector, okay, and then you have this metal bracket which attaches to the plastic bracket, and then you have a Phillips screw that you screw in, and then once that's done, you have this plastic clip. So you adhere the plexiglass onto the into the bracket, so it's nice and sturdy like it is right now. And I'll show you one example, the way to do it. All right, guys, so you see this plastic bracket. So you put this beneath your hood deflector like so, and there's a hole on the top of the deflector. So you put this in like so, okay, and just press gently on top of this hood deflector so this plastic bracket, or whatever you call it, doesn't fall out, okay. And then you have this plastic clip. I'm going to just insert it now So it comes, so this basically holds your hood deflector and this plastic bracket in place. So let's put this in so it doesn't move. Okay, take this metal bracket, you place it where you see this hole, like so. Okay, you see that? All right, and now go ahead with your Phillips screwdriver and your Phillips screw. All right guys, so you see what I did there? And so now we only have two of the brackets installed onto the hood deflector, and it's nice and sturdy from this side, and you want to just repeat the same process for the other four brackets. All right guys, so once we install the two brackets on the left side, we come to the front and we have 2, 1 and 2 on the front of the hood, where you have Toyota emblem, right? And you guys basically you know, repeat the process, whatever you did on the left side. There's a look. This is how it's supposed to look like. It's nice and sturdy. Make sure when you're installing it that this hood emblem, this Toyota hood emblem, shows nice and clearly in the middle of the hood deflector. So if it's not in the middle, guys, that means something's off. The alignment of your hood deflector is pretty much off. So that's a nice indicator. And another thing I want to mention, these metal brackets that come with the hood deflector hardware, you want to insert the star screw in the metal bracket before screwing it in, because that helps with the alignment into the plastic bracket. All right guys, and now moving along to the two other brackets that we have on the right hand side of this hood. All right, so there's another bracket gonna go in here, and then there's another one that's gonna go in here. Alright guys, I am finished with this hood deflector installation, and I hope you enjoy this video tutorial on installing this wind hood bug deflector. So that's the end result. And guys, I just want to mention why I still have this plastic shrink wrap on top is because when you're installing these 6 individual brackets around this hood deflector, sometimes, you know, your tools or your hands get on it, right? So you want to keep it nice and clean and scratch free, right? So if you're installing it for yourself or your friend or family, right, you don't want a bunch of scratches. So now it comes time to remove it. Nice. And now you can just gently remove the shrink wrap, and look at that, voila. You see how clean that looks, guys? All right, thanks for watching and watching the video towards the end. And this is the finished result.